For any RIA, managing compliance is a constant, resource-draining battle. But what if technology could slash your firm's compliance overhead costs by up to 50%? It's more than cost, it's about risk. The right automation can reduce violation rates by over a third. And this investment pays off, with some large firms seeing an increased business value of over $240K. Today, we'll break down how this software works, what it costs, and how to choose the best one for your firm. So, where do these savings come from? First, let's understand the core problem: the sheer volume of regulatory tasks. Firms constantly juggle Form ADV filings, privacy notices, and conflict of interest disclosures in a web of complexity. It's no surprise that 57% of wealth managers are increasing their tech budgets to manage this burden efficiently. The first line of defense is a compliance calendar. It centralizes all deadlines and automatically tracks activity. Next, secure document retention and archiving are non-negotiable for meeting SEC Rule 2042 and surviving audits. Finally, integrated task management assigns responsibilities and creates a clear audit trail so nothing falls through the cracks. But having features isn't enough. How does this software actually prevent costly mistakes and save your team's valuable time? The key is proactive automation. The software doesn't just store data, it actively monitors it, flagging potential issues before they become violations. For example, one platform can automatically capture and monitor all employee communications for keywords or policy breaches. This frees your chief compliance officer from tedious manual checks to focus on high-level strategy and build a scalable compliance program. This isn't just for large enterprises. For smaller firms, these type of solutions are designed to centralize processes and automate tasks. Similarly, Compliance Calendar is a perfect example of a focused tool that makes managing deadlines and documentation far less stressful. A major player, RIA Compliance Technology, demonstrates how pricing is often structured. They offer tiered plans so you only pay for what you need. These tools form the bedrock of modern compliance. But the real transformation and the source of those huge ROI numbers is artificial intelligence. AI-driven software can now auto-draft and file Form ADV updates, and it can also continuously monitor your marketing content. AI-assisted supervision helps customize firm policies and radically simplifies the review process by flagging true anomalies. This extends to internal operations, where AI can streamline the onboarding of new advisors by automating many manual tasks. So, back to our question: how does software create such massive time savings? It's this leap from passive task management to proactive AI-powered automation. But this power creates a new challenge. With so many features and pricing tiers, the choice itself becomes complex. Let's connect the dots. Remember the promise of a 50% reduction in overhead? That comes from AI automating traditionally manual processes. And the 34% reduction in violations? That's the power of AI-assisted supervision, catching what a human might miss. This demonstrates that the features are engines of efficiency and risk mitigation, directly translating into a safer and more profitable firm. So, with the stakes this high, how do you ensure you make the right choice? First, prioritize software built specifically for RIAs. Generic solutions don't understand the nuances of SEC and state regulations. Second, evaluate the completeness of the features. Does it cover everything from your compliance calendar to employee trade monitoring? And third, look at their technology. Are they using AI to future-proof your investment, or are you just buying a digital filing cabinet? Viewing this decision as a strategic investment rather than an expense is crucial for efficiency, scalability, and security. Features and costs vary dramatically, but careful selection is what delivers that $24,000 increase in business value. Ready to find the right fit for your firm? Click the link below to download our detailed comparison of top RIA compliance software solutions. Stop managing compliance and start mastering it.